Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 015. Grammar. Unit 1. Lesson 1. Using there is, there are, a, and an. The learning objectives. Dear students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and use there is and there are appropriately. Use there is for one person or thing, i.e. singular nouns. Use there are for two or more people or things, i.e. plural nouns. Identify and use the indefinite articles a and an. Identify and use some and any appropriately. Use a singular noun after there is. So after there is, we use a singular noun. Example: there is a table lamp on the table. Notice here that after there is, we use a singular noun. Table lamp. One table lamp. This is a singular noun. So after there is, we use a singular noun. There is an English exam at 9. Again, after there is, we have a singular noun. One exam. English exam. So after there is, we use a singular noun. Use a plural noun after there are. Example: there are some books on the table. Notice here that after there are, we use a plural noun. Some books, not one, but many. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some books. So the word books is a plural noun. So we use a plural noun after there are. Another example: there are 28 students in my class. So again, after there are, we use a plural noun. Students were not one, but many. Okay, we have many students. So there are many students, or there are 28 students in my class. So after there are, we use a plural noun. Now, use a or an with singular nouns. We use these two articles with singular nouns. Use an before vowel sounds. These are vowel sounds. Examples: she lives in an apartment. Notice here that the word apartment is a singular noun. It starts with a vowel sound, a. So we use an before the word apartment. Why? Because this word apartment starts with a vowel sound. Another example: a bee is an insect. Notice here that the word bee is singular. It starts with a consonant. This is a consonant. It is not a vowel sound. So we use a before the word bee. But the word insect starts with a vowel sound I. It starts with a vowel sound I. So we use an before the word insect. Another example: the exam lasts for an hour. Again, the exam lasts for an hour. Notice the pronunciation of the word hour. Hour. Okay, so this letter here, the letter H, is not pronounced. It is not pronounced. It is written, but it is not pronounced. It is silent. It is silent. So we say an hour. An hour. Why? Because this letter, okay, is not pronounced. It is silent. Tom lives in a house. Here, the letter H is pronounced. It is not silent. It is pronounced. Ha, house. So we use a before the word house because the H is a consonant. It is not a vowel sound. We say a house. Ali works at a university. University. Notice that this letter here is pronounced yeah. And yeah is not a vowel sound. A university. Again, university. This letter here is pronounced yeah. Is pronounced yeah. University. And the yeah is not a vowel sound. So we use a before the word university. I want an umbrella. Notice this letter here is pronounced a. Umbrella. A. Umbrella. The letter, this letter, the letter U, is pronounced a. So it is a vowel sound. The a is a vowel sound. So we say an umbrella. An umbrella. Again, why? Because this letter is pronounced a. Okay, and a is a vowel sound. But in the previous example, this letter, the same letter, is pronounced yeah, university, university, and the yeah is not a vowel sound. So here you have to be careful. Okay, choose a or an because of the sound, not the spelling. Don't be confused with the spelling. Okay, so again, when the H is not pronounced, okay, use an. When the letter U is pronounced U, okay, it is not a vowel, use a. Use a or an in front of singular nouns. Examples: she has a letter, letter, one letter, singular, so we use a. I would like an apple, one apple, okay, one apple, so this is singular, we use an. Again, why? Because the word apple starts with a vowel sound, with a vowel sound, okay? Use some in front of plural nouns. We use the word some with plural nouns. Examples: she has some letters, not one but some. You see, we have some letters, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have some letters, not one but some. We say some letters. Can we say a letters? No, we cannot, because the word letters is a plural noun. It is not a singular. We use a only with singular. I would like some apples. Again, the word apples is a plural noun. You see, plural noun. We have many apples here, so we use some. But can we say an apples? No, we cannot. So this is wrong. Again, why? Because this is plural. Okay, this is a plural noun. We use an with singular. Okay, with singular nouns. Use some in affirmative statements, not negative but affirmative statements. Examples: I have some money. You see, I have affirmative statement. She needs some help. Some help. Again, this is an affirmative statement. Use any in negative statements. Use any in negative statements. Examples: I don't have any money. You see, this is negative. I don't have any money. Can we say here some money? No, this is wrong. Why? Because this is negative. Okay, we cannot say I don't have some money. No, this is wrong. You have to say I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I don't have any assignments to do. Again, this is a negative. Okay, this is negative. Okay, so we have to use any. I don't have any assignments. Can we say I don't have some assignments? I don't have some assignments to do. No, this is wrong. Again, why? Because here we have a negative statements. A negative statement. So with affirmative statements we use some. With negative statements we use any. Any questions? Any question, you can either use some or any. With the questions you can either use some or any. Examples: do you have some money? This is a question. Okay, this is a question. Do you have some money? You can also say, do you have any money? Do you have any money? So both questions are correct. So any questions, you can say some or any. Thank you for listening.